An unprecedented event unfolds in the Middle East. Iran, in a significant move, launches a large-scale attack on Israel using drones and missiles. This retaliatory strike comes in the wake of a suspected Israeli airstrike that allegedly resulted in the demise of Iranian officials on Syrian soil. This marks the first time that Iran has directly targeted Israel from its own territory. Israel, however, reports eliminating the majority of the threats and suffering minimal casualties. A night of tension and turmoil, yet Israel stands resilient. Iran declares the operation concluded, but issues a stern warning. It promises to defend its interests if necessary. The world, it seems, holds its breath, watching the developments with bated breath. The international community reacts swiftly. The European Union and the United States condemn the attack. President Biden in particular calls for a united diplomatic response. The incident may not only impact US support for Israel, but also prompt legislative action. A ripple effect is inevitable in such a global landscape. As the sun rises on a day of uncertainty, financial markets and oil futures become the focus of attention. The escalation of conflict in the Middle East could have far-reaching implications. Aviation services in the region also bear the brunt of the attack, with disruptions reported. In summary, this unprecedented attack by Iran on Israel marks a significant escalation in the Middle East conflict. The world watches, waits, and hopes for a peaceful resolution. The diplomatic chessboard has been stirred, and the next move could define the balance of power in the region. A day of tension, turmoil, resilience, and hope. A day that will be remembered in the annals of history.